Hi everybody, thanks for joining me. It is day 17 of Art Journal Habit 2018, and today's prompt is horn. And when I'm thinking about horn at this time of year, I think of the horn of plenty. So what I've done is take a little trick out of Shell's book of tricks. I have just used a piece of tissue paper to sketch it out rather than going directly to my bumpy page, which has a gel print on it already, so that I've got some kind of base to work from. She does a lot of collage work where she tears up paper and puts on this tissue. I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to use some paint. I happen to have some lovely fluid Deco Art Media paint, and that's what I intend to use to do this with. Yeah, if I can ever get it glued down. So, yeah, gluing it down to the wrong surface. Okay, good start to today, right? So, let me get my brayer. I like to use a brayer to put this stuff down with until the glue gets good and dry. And, you know, I could very easily have put some of this down in some gel prints. You know, I have, actually this would have been pretty cool for the basket part because it's got that textural stuff going on. Yes, no, yes, no. Yeah. I'll just keep on going with what I'm doing. I'm going to paint. So what I did is I have my cute little Kawako German pencil. It's called a Shorty. And I just sketched out my image using my little pencil on the tissue paper. And so now I'm going to grab some paint and I'm going to get started with my painting. So there's not a lot to say about this. I'm just going to take my time, paint in my images, and I will have a horn of plenty, and we will be giving thanks for all those things that we are so grateful for in the month of November and for all year long. So I'm grateful for you. Thanks for stopping by. Remember to give me a thumbs up and click that bell for notifications, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.